is a hidden 3-step process to be making over $2 every single minute, and in today's video, provided that you watch till the end, I'm going to be teaching you how to do exactly that. And as you can see right here, if you look at these earnings right here, it is $2 per this specific thing that you need to watch this video because it's going to be 3 steps. And it's $2 per specific thing. It's actually $2.06. And I've seen offers like this go as high as $4 or even $5. And if we go ahead and do some quick math, we just go to the calculator, we do 206 times 60, which is how much you're going to be making every hour, provided that you watch this video to the end. You can be making up to $3 grand per day with this hidden money making tactic. I have made so much money doing this that it's not even funny. And what's crazy is that nobody wants to teach you this specific method. But unlike most of these people, I don't have a course to sell. So I'm going to be teaching you the exact secret 3-step process for you to be making over $2 every single minute. So if that sounds interesting at all, you're gonna wanna make sure to watch this video all the way to the very end. And what also doesn't require you to watch this video all the way to the very end is going ahead and subscribing to the channel. On this channel, I am teaching you the best and easiest hacks to be making infinite amounts of money online. So if that sounds interesting at all, make sure you go ahead and subscribe. So for the first step of this method, what you guys are going to want to do is you're going to want to go onto this site called CPA Grip. Now, CPA Grip is this site where basically you can get a bunch of offers for people to go ahead and complete. Now, these offers actually are legit because what's happening is that there are researchers out there that want a bunch of data for something. It might be market research. It might be some other reason. It might be some kind of university thing. I can't tell you, but whatever it is, they're willing to pay top dollar provided that you get people to fill out these surveys. And they even have exclusive rewards provided that they do. And all you need to do is just link these people from CPA Grip, where you can be making all kinds of money from people filling out these surveys. And then you need to find a way to reach these people who want to be making this kind of money from surveys. And in this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to do all of that. So we can just go down here and we can check out all of this and we can see why you want to use CPA Grip over any other kind of CPA offer wall. It's because CPA is a industry leader, and me personally, I've made over $2,100 just this month just by using CPA Grip in the background. And I know the potential scalability of something like this, and I know how much they're giving out per day. Because if we go ahead and click on become an advertiser, all we got to do is that we just got to send them a quick message, and I'm going to be teaching you guys exactly what to fill out right now. And I know how much you can be making if you go ahead and sign up for them. All you got to do is that you just got to contact them, as you can see right here. Now I'm going to be showing you guys exactly what to fill out so you guys can go ahead and get in. All you need to do is you just need to enter an email address. So I'm just going to do email@gmail. And then for company name, you can either put your first name LLC. So for me, I'll just put Xavier LLC, and that works just fine. And then for your website, what you're going to want to do when you watch the end of this video, you're going to want to repeat and you're going to want to come back to this step, because at the end of this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to get this specific website link that you can go ahead and put it. But I'm not going to go ahead and put that out there. But in terms of targeting geos, what this means is where are you getting these people from? And what you're going to want to put here, this is important. This is the most important part, is you're going to want to put social media. That's it. You're just going to want to say, hey, I'm doing this through social media and I'm going to be pushing these offer walls through social media. And this is how we're going to be getting these people to fill out these completely free surveys. And I'm just going to go ahead and log into CPA Grip so I can show you guys exactly how to use it. All right, as you guys can see right here, this is the official CPA Grip dashboard. Now I'm on the dashboard panel right here, and you can see right here, there are all these people making this much money. This guy just made $250 today just from 6,000 views, which I know that if you watch till the end of this video, you'll be getting 6,000 views using this method in no time flat with only 150 leads, which is an insane conversion. That's $2 per person that signs up for this thing, which is the most wild and high dollar conversion that you're going to find on this side of the internet. And obviously when you sign up for this, what you're going to have to do is you're going to have the payment method selected, because I got rid of the old one because I got banned. You know what happens. I was doing the feds came knocking, but hey, I posted bail and here we are now. I just bonded out. This is all a joke, by the way. As you can see here, this guy just made over 300 bucks with only 8,000 views. This is honestly one of the greatest money-making opportunities of the modern age. And then all you're gonna wanna do is you're just gonna wanna go to this one right here, and you're just gonna wanna click on content lockers. And then as you can see, you can create any content locker here. And basically what this is this is gonna be an entire full bread offer wall where you can go ahead and click on anything. I would go ahead and check out the URL/file. But if I was you, I would go ahead and ignore all of that and just go to here to offer tools and then click on my offers. And then you can see here, these are all the different offers that you can go ahead and get people to sign up for. So you can see here one, as you can see, this is dental assistance, and then you can set up any kind of traffic domain that you want. And basically this is going to allow you to track where specific things are coming from. If you guys are looking to scale hard with this, I would recommend spending some time in here, kind of just like ironing out the details and making sure that everything is set up right so it looks okay. And then you can just go ahead and see like the kind of clicks that you're going to be getting, the kind of payouts that you'll get, which is $1.37, which isn't the greatest payout ever. But if you guys do want the best payouts, what you got to do is you got to go to the top of the page here, and then you got to click on this payout button. And then you can see here, these are the most high dollar payouts. And this one right here is actually super interesting. So this one, if people go ahead and fill out this survey, they can get free samples of chocolate. Now, obviously, this is something that some kind of candy company is obviously running to go ahead and see if they can get some good products. But you can see the payout is $2 per email submit. This is like an insane offer right here. And this is like the kind of offer that you guys need to be going ahead and doing, because this is like an insane payout with an insane high dollar value. And this is just the insane kind of payout that you guys are going to be going ahead and doing if you go ahead and follow this method. And make sure that you sign up to CPA Grip with my link down below. And this is just like the most insane thing ever. It was just added recently, and you need to get on this now because these offer walls aren't here forever. So you guys are just going to want to make sure to go ahead and do that. But I'm going to be showing you the next step of this method, which is creating a small homepage where we can go ahead and create just a basic homepage where anybody can come on and claim any one of these offers. And the best part about this is that you can update this whenever you want, and provided that you still have the link from it, you're not going to get banned off any social platform, which at the end of this video, I'll be showing you how to make these social platforms. And it's just my favorite personal way of doing this. So all you guys are going to want to do is you're just going to want to go onto Google Docs, and you're just going to want to make a new Google Doc. Now, obviously, when you go ahead and make this new Google Doc, what you can do is you can hit share, and then you can save the name of it. And I mean, I'm obviously going to set a real name, but what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to make sure that this general access is set to anyone with a link, because then they're going to be the viewer, and then you can just go ahead and send this offer to anybody ever, and then they can go ahead and just fill it out themselves. So then we can just hit done, and I'm just going to go ahead and show you guys how to make a decently nice looking page here. That's just going to act as kind of like a landing page so people know what they're getting into when they fill out these offers. So all we have to do is we just have to click on heading right here, and then we can just type in whichever one that we're looking at doing. So if we're looking at getting the best chocolates now, we can just copy and paste this. And then as you can see, it just says get the best chocolates now. And we can just cut this back. What you guys are going to want to do is you're going to want to set up some kind of incentive. So we're just going to want to put in parentheses for free. Now, obviously, this is going to get people interested because it's like, oh, I can get chocolates for free. And then you're just going to want to spend some time in making this look decently nice. I'm going to go ahead and just change the font here to Times New Roman. I'm going to go ahead and set a bold to this for free and an underline. And as you can see, this automatically just looks way better. And then I'm just going to hit back to the normal text. I'm going to go back here, and I'm just going to go ahead and copy and paste this link right here. And then I'm just going to put it right there. And then as you can see right there, we can just, anybody can come in and just click on this link right here. But if you want to know a little bit of better way to do it, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to click on any one of these words right here. And then on your keyboard, press Control K. And then what this is going to allow you to do is that this is going to allow you to put a link into this word right here. So you're just going to want to paste this link, hit apply, and then anytime anybody clicks on this link here and they fill out this offer, you're going to be going ahead and getting on your way to be making $2 every single minute. And what I would recommend doing is I would recommend filling out a page with at least about 5 to 10 offers. So anybody that you get to click on this is going to already have just the best baseline, so they can come in and they can just do anything that they want from this, so that they can go ahead and click on any one of these, because maybe someone doesn't want chocolate, maybe someone wants chips, maybe someone wants a free PS5. So I would recommend going on here and I would check out a bunch of the offers, and I would just go through the whole thing and making sure that it all sounds good. Now, as a reward for you sticking to the end of this video, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be teaching you how to get literally thousands of people to go ahead and click on your offer wall. All you got to do is you just got to go to Instagram, and you're going to want to search up South Park clips. Now, obviously, when you look this up, but we can just see that there are a bunch of these clips here, and they're just from this show named South Park. And if we go ahead and check out this page right here, this South Park page, which I'm just using South Park as an example, you can use any single TV show ever, because Instagram actually doesn't really have a copyright takedown system. So you can go ahead and just re-upload parts of clips of TV shows, and you can grow accounts up to 130,000 followers. Super easy. And if you guys take a look at their description right here, you can see it says do a survey and claim $750. And it suspiciously looks kind of like a link like ours. But the problem with this is that this link kind of looks suspicious, and it looks a little bit weird to especially an outside viewer. So I don't think not many people are going to be going ahead and clicking on this. But conveniently, we just made a Google Docs page. So you can go ahead and just put this Google Docs page here instead, and Instagram allows you to just put in one link, which means that you can come in and change out any one of these offers whenever you want, provided that there might be a better offer. And then when it comes to actually making these videos, all you have to do, sometimes you can just literally take the flat reel that these guys are doing and then just re-upload it yourself. But if you go ahead, they usually have a funny little caption right here, and it's pretty easy just to use almost any video editor on the planet. You could use something like CapCut, you could use something like Adobe Premiere if you have it, you could even use Canva. And if you guys are interested in me making a tutorial on how to edit these kind of reels, you're going to want to make sure to leave a comment in the description down below. But like, this is just the simplest thing ever. They're just re-uploading these clips here, and you can just say follow me in South Park Reels for more, and then these guys are collecting just thousands and thousands of dollars just by getting people to fill out these offer walls here. And it is such a lucrative business, and you guys need to get on this now, because this kind of thing probably isn't going to be allowed on these platforms forever. So unlike most online business videos you're going to find out there, I'm going to tell you, go take some action. You can go ahead and click on this video, I don't care, but like, you need to go ahead and take some action like now, because this is the time that you're going to want to do it. And if you do actually want to go ahead and take some action, make sure to sign up for CPA Grip with my link down below, because that's just going to be the best link for you guys to do it. Because you look up CPA Grip and there's going to be a bunch of like fake ones out there, people peddling fake ones. So you're just going to want to make sure to click on that link in the description down below. And if you have any questions about this method, make sure to leave me a comment down below, because I have made so much freaking money from this, and I guarantee you, you're going to be making that same kind of money too. If you do want something that's also free and something that's also pretty lucrative, you can go ahead and sign up for my $100 Cash App giveaway. For every 100 subscribers that this video gets me, I will be giving away $100 on Cash App, which means if this video gets me 1,000 subscribers, I will be doing 10 different Cash App giveaways to 10 lucky people. So the only thing you have to do to enter is obviously subscribe so we can get as many giveaways going. But the other thing is that you need to go ahead and comment down below your cash tag. But if this video was at all interesting or engaging, make sure to click on any one of these videos right now. And thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a good day.